What you're looking at right now is a thermal fusion setup. The Nightfox Arctic thermal monocular on one side and the Nightfox Prowl 2 digital night vision on the other, mounted together on a bridge. Conditions were legitimately tough, full phase moon, but the moon hadn't risen yet, so we're working with almost zero ambient lighting out here. On the right side, you've got the Prowl 2 running in black and white, and there's no IR lighting active whatsoever. This is purely passive digital night vision. It's handling navigation and observation, giving you detail, texture, and terrain. You can see shapes, ground features, and what's around you. On the left is the Arctic running in red hot mode, pure thermal. It doesn't care about light at all. It's reading heat, and anything warm is going to pop in that red palette immediately. People, animals, vehicles, even if they're completely hidden in the shadow on the night vision side. The brain actually combines both images in real time, so you get the detail and spatial awareness from the digital side and the detection capability from thermal simultaneously. That's what makes Fusion so powerful. You're not choosing between the two, you're running both. And what's great about this particular setup is that the Prowl 2 and the Arctic share the same body, so they're designed to work together. This is one of the most affordable thermal fusion configurations on the market right now. If you want to build this setup, links are in the description, and use the code GNG10 at checkout to save 10%.